Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with an image or new canvas open in Photopea. Make sure the layer you'll draw on is active. Next, choose the line tool or pen tool from the left toolbar. Hold the shape tool to reveal the line option. Then set stroke width, color, and cap style in the options bar at the top so your line looks how you want. Once these basics are set, position the cursor where the line should begin and prepare to click and drag for a precise first segment. Now draw the line, click and drag. If you need exact angles, hold Shift to snap to 0, 45, or 90 degrees. If you use the pen tool, switch to the path selection tool to move anchor points and refine curvature. Once drawn, use Free Transform, Control or CMD+T to scale, rotate, or skew the line without losing stroke settings. If you want an editable vector, convert the path into a shape or stroke it into pixels. Because vectors keep crisp edges when resizing, this helps maintain quality. To finish, keep the line on its own layer so you can adjust opacity, blend mode, or mask it independently. This preserves flexibility. If you must paint or erase parts, rasterize the layer, but remember that keeping it as a shape or vector path allows non-destructive edits later. If the line looks missing, check that the layer is visible, and above the image, confirm stroke width and color aren't matching the background, and use Undo, Control or CMD+Z, or step backward to revert recent changes. This fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.